Good morning. It's another beautiful day here in the Dominican Republic, and we're going to go to the falls today and do some jumping off some rocks. I guess I've never been there. I saw a short video, but that's what's on the agenda. But this breakfast is going to be same as usual. We're going to go to this little hotel. It's like a little hotel that has breakfast there, and it's pretty affordable. I think he said something like $6 per person, which is super cheap. So that's what we do in the morning. We go and get breakfast, and then you guys will see some travel clips to the falls because I think it's like 2 hours away. So you'll see that, and then hopefully after that you'll see next John jumping off some rocks.
So I can climb back. It's getting out.
Is everyone in a good mood today?
No.
Oh man. I don't want to be in the car with a bunch of crab apples.
Maybe we open up there or something. I don't know. I think I did.
Ooh, Devin willed it into.
Scrambled eggs. We have pancakes today. A little variety. There's a
We
syrup.
open that one up again so I can see it.
This one?
This one. I want to
This
see.
one.
What was that again?
It's yautía. It's pink yautía mashed.
Okay. Okay, it's gonna be a 2-hour tour. A 2-hour tour. Just sit right back in the van and say, I gotta ride with my mother-in-law. I don't know if I'm gonna like this. Another duty-free zone right here. All these factories. Right there, the sign. You can't read it? Oh well. Zona Franca Tumble. Swishers. They have a lot of tobacco plants
So
that we drive by. We're on the toll road right now. It's a beautiful view of the mountains. Look at those clouds. That's all Swisher factory. Swisher Sweets. Swisher Sweets. How many times fast can you say that? Swisher Sweets, Swisher Sweets, Swisher Sweets. Look at that mountain. Oh, look at that. There you go. That's the tobacco fields. And those are the drying sheds, the drying buildings.
Yeah. He's like, yeah, we did that on purpose.
Good morning, saludos amigos. Bien, llevando a estos americanos turistas a los charcos, a los charcos. A los charcos, sí. Yo soy misionero y yo también lo llevo para allá.
Si mi amigo, usted pongamos fue de tener mi amigo David.
Sí, por la doble amarilla, yo lo sé.
Puede pasar, mi amigo David, tenemos que cuidarlo.
Yo lo sé.
Ya lo demás por ahí, ¿de dónde vienen? Santiago.
Bendiciones, amiguito.
They got pulled over for passing a double yellow.
Gracias, debe esperado un minutito.
He wants us to hurry up.
Vámonos.
Vámonos. He's probably gonna pass us. Oh no, we're decided we'd go ahead and go. Even though we just got pulled over for doing this, we're gonna do it again.
Video, keep going. Hola, 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 hola. Welcome to Damajagua, beautiful family. John family. We did it.
Oh, we're here.
Yes. David. Es un video. Give me 5. We did it. Hola. No, it's video. No more hiking. We did it.
Don't forget to turn.
Hola, familia. Familia, please, one by one. I wasn't. Keep going?
Keep going, it's a video.
Yes, man.
Where you been to? The charcoal.
Hola, hola. Oh, didn't know you was there.
Okay, Stephen, you gotta do the American pose.
Dominican pose.
American. Do the American pose. Like this. American pose. There you go. Okay, and then there's Felix. You've got to do the American pose. That's right. There you go. It's the food too.
Yeah.
So $12.
No, 12 is charcoal. And the food is 500 pesos, which is about $7.
Oh, okay.
$7.50, $8, something like
Okay,
that.
okay. So altogether, maybe like $30.
Basically 3 miles.
Oh. About 3 miles. We're getting lunch and it looks like it's a buffet, so
It's a buffet. You can eat. You can, if you want, repeat, but like 1.5 portions. He says they don't eat too much. They say, well, so you can go back for suckers, just maybe half as much as you did on the first one. So,
okay.
or just load up your plate.
Right. Just make sure you get a lot. Go ahead.
Here's the roll. Roll.
Rolls. Don't forget the rolls. I'll do that for you, John. Ooh, beef. Okay, so we got
So
tomatoes.
for lunch, basically your
Fill this out. This is all backwards. They got this all messed up.
there, and here they have the orange steak where she is like seafood.
I don't. I know they got it all back. You can go around me and get salad. Go around me.
Which is fine if you want it.
Okay.
Water.
Now I'll go around. Oh, I don't think you want that. You might want to tell them about that.
That's like, yeah, that's a bee, or is that a fly?
Yeah, I think it's a bee.
Yeah, it's a bee.
It happens.
See,
And then we have rice. And which one has seafood in it?
this is seafood. This is some
That
kind of
one?
seafood
Okay,
stew. Some kind of seafood stew. You can smell it. And the chicken is over there.
Okay.
These are the beans. No, this is candules, ¿verdad? This is candules. These are
French fries.
French fries.
Fried sweet potato. We'll try a couple of these. I don't usually like them. We'll try a couple of them. And then that looks like carrots and potatoes. And then French fries. I mean, who wouldn't like some French fries? We'll go and do a couple of those. And then a pasta. That looks like a macaroni and cheese type deal. I would try that, but I don't have any room on my plate. So we'll try one piece of chicken. Chicken!
Chicken.
Thank you!
You're welcome.
Oh, you got the actual French fries. Okay.
I thought I'd get a couple.
Sometimes they have burgers here.
How going back for ice cream. Right here. We're gonna go see what kind of ice cream they have. Here, okay. So, we have chocolate. Oh, she's right. There's chocolate. I think that's chocolate. Strawberry and vanilla. Yes. We'll have to ask her. So is that chocolate?
So Dominican ice cream over here. These are
Okay.
flavored. Coconut. Háblame aquí para que me diga todos sabores, amiguita. Okay, in a minute, we'll get it.
Okay.
So they have coconut, coco.
Coconut.
Cocoa.
¿Qué es esto? Canistel.
Canistel.
Yo no sé qué es eso.
Es una fruta muy buena.
Oh, canistel is a fruit.
Sí, hay fresa, hay pitahaya.
Coconut, there's
Son buenos.
strawberry.
This is second.
Pitahaya.
Frutas del bosque.
Corso. This is corso. Yeah, I've had that before.
Fruta del bosque. Fruit from the forest. I don't know what that
Okay.
is.
Y cappuccino.
Cappuccino?
Ya que sabe. Sabe a café. Sabe
Un
a
poquito.
un poquito. So
Hay
that's
fresa, hay chocolate.
strawberry, chocolate, chocolate. Chocolate. There's chocolate here.
Ajá.
Chocolate.
Y chocolate.
Strawberry. That's chinola. Passion fruit.
Passion.
Passion fruit. Passion fruit.
Okay, how much are these?
¿Cuánto son estos?
Chica más.
¿Cuánto cuestan? $5. Okay, y
Okay.
aquellos de allá.
And then how much for these?
Estos de acá. Antes que te
Okay, there's your 5. She said those over there are 5. I gotta see how much these are.
I don't know. ¿Esto cuánto cuesta?
Those are 5 over there.
Ellos a las
I don't
100.
know.
$2.
Okay, this is $2. That no ice cream sandwich. What's the?
3. How much are those?
There, 5.
5. So these are 5. Okay.
Yeah, that's what I wanted.
Okay. And that's chocolate?
This is caramel and chocolate chip. Caramel and chocolate chip.
Okay, caramel and chocolate
Hey,
chip. She wants
las
one of
copas
those
son
too.
lo de copa.
How much are those?
So I think that's what I want too. One of those.
Esta, $4.
$4? These are 4. They give you itty bitty shovels to put this ice cream in your mouth.
Double.
Yeah.
Coca-Cola truck accident.
I wonder if something pulled out in front of it.
Yep. Looks like somebody pulled out in front of it and he tried
Oh, that's not
Tried to
good.
stop.
Got it?
Yep. Thank you. What's the name of this tunnel?
That's too good.
Thank you.
The tunnel.
The tunnel. Well, there you go. Is there only one tunnel in the Dominican?
I don't know. This is the only one I know of.
That's why it's the tunnel. Ken, you were right. You were right about whatever we were just talking about. You were right.
But it was a worthless statement, so it really didn't mean anything.
Oh, you need something to keep scoring.
Oh, I'm not keeping score.
Okay, well, we need something to keep score.
Okay, I'll get something to keep score, but I'm not keeping score.
Like that.
What don't you trust yourself with?
Yeah, these are like so hard to open.
You know what? I bet there's a little pull tab on the side of
there's
them.
not.
Not anything that
So
I
you
see.
do know to use a video of me on your blog, you have to get a written consent
Oh, maybe there
release
is.
form.
Well, that's what I'm just looking at, and maybe
I think you signed that.
you signed that when you boarded the plane.
Either that or Cindy signed it.
It was one of those things.
There we go.
I still
Ta-da.
can't get it open.
Yeah. It's like
It was on the face, and
This one's
Morgan,
not,
just
though.
go like
So,
this way or this way, right
I'm
in the
gonna.
middle.
Oh.
This video will be how to open
a
a
pack of
package of Skyjo.
A package of Skyjo.
Sicko, you got to be a sicko to open sicko.
Open